Good morning friends, myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I'll be discussing about the Q4 FY13 banking results review. Q4 results of Sharekhan Khan Banking Universe was actually lower than estimate. On overall basis, the earnings for the banking universe grew almost declined by 7% YOY. That was lower than estimate. The private sector banks continued to perform in line with the expectations, showing a growth of about 21% YOY, whereas public sector banks have again continued to deliver poor show. In case of PSU banks, earnings have declined by almost 21% YOY. In case of PSU banks, the decline in earnings was mainly due to a slower growth in the net interest income and higher provisions. Though treasury profits were higher in this quarter, while the tax rates were lower, but the slowdown in the core income growth impacted the profitability. In terms of operating performance, the bank's operating performance was weak in Q4 also. The net interest income showed a growth of about 6.1%, that was below estimate. In case of public sector banks, the NII growth was flattish, showing a growth of just 0.3% YOY. The key reason for decline for a slower growth in the net interest income was that the margins have declined substantially on a YOY basis. Moreover, the margins have shown a downtrend on quarter-to-quarter basis also, as banks' lending rates have declined, though the cost of funds remain high. Talking about the non-interest income, the non-interest growth was sluggish during the quarter, although the treasury income was higher. The key reason for that is that the bank's fee income continued to show a downtrend, as the investment activity has slowed in the economy, and also the fee from the retail has come down. The asset quality performance was mixed during the quarter. The private sector banks continued to maintain their edge in terms of asset quality. However, the public sector banks saw the slippages remaining high. The fresh restructured loans were also high, but the gross NPAs have kind of remained kind of stable or declined from Q3 levels. The reduction in the NPAs on quarter-to-quarter basis was mainly due to contributed by the increased amount of write-offs during the quarter, and kind of recoveries which are seasonally strong in Q4. Therefore, going ahead, we see the asset quality pressure remaining in the sector for some more time. Therefore, the Q4 results reflect the challenging environment for banking sector. Going forward, the regulatory prescriptions, wage hikes, etc., will affect the earnings growth for banks. However, the decline in the bond yields is likely to yield more treasury income, which could provide some cushion in the wake of rise in provisions. The outlook for sector will depend upon the key rates, depend upon the pace of easing by RBI, and also the pace of recovery in the economy. Therefore, we maintain our positive bias for private sector banks and remain selective on public sector banks. We prefer ICICI Bank and Federal Bank, even private banks, and SBI and PNB among the public sector banks, which is a play on recovery in the economy. Thank you.